This time I will share introduction to biotechnology. I'll divide this title into two subtitles. The first one, what is biotechnology? And the second one is type of biotechnology. Now let's start. What is biotechnology? Biotechnology is a technology that utilizes biological system, living organism, or part of these to develop or create different product or solve a problem. Biotechnology is related to developing, modifying, and producing beneficial product or human welfare. There are two types of biotechnology, namely classical biotechnology and modern biotechnology. The significant difference between classical and modern biotechnology are the use of genome editing and technique. Some example of classical biotechnology, such as selective breeding, fermentation to produce food or beverage, and produce the antibiotic. Some example of modern biotechnology, such as genetic engineering, the ability to manipulate DNA of an organism, gene cloning, the ability to identify and reproduce a gene of interest, recombinant DNA technology, the ability to combine DNA from different sources. The recombinant DNA technology has led to production of disease-resistant plant, genetically engineered bacteria to degrade environmental pollution, and to produce antibiotic. Biotechnology is interdisciplinary science. The roots of biotechnology are formed by human, animal and plant physiology, molecular and cell biology, statistics, biochemistry, physics, computer science, mathematics, immunology, microbiology, genetic, and of course, chemical engineering. Now let's see. There are several types of biotechnology, such as medical biotechnology, agricultural biotechnology, industrial biotechnology, and environmental biotechnology. Medical biotechnology is a branch of biotechnology method that use living cell and cell material to research and then produce pharmaceutical and diagnosing a product. The medical biotechnology involves the use of tools for research to find more efficient way of maintaining human health, understanding the biological pathway or human cell biology, and understanding the pathogen. These products help treat or prevent the disease, and some of the most recent use of medical biotechnology is work in genetic testing, drug treatment, and artificial tissue growth. Some major medical biotechnology advancements, such as CRISPR, tissue nanotransfection, recombinant DNA technology, genetic testing, and stem cell research. Vaccine are the product of medical biotechnology. Vaccine used to stimulate our immune system to fight the pathogen when they attack the body. There are several ways to make a vaccine, such as inactivated vaccine, attenuated vaccine, subunit vaccine, nucleic acid vaccine, etc. The discovery, development, and manufacture of the vaccine using the biotechnology technique. Antibiotics are one of the biotechnology. Are one of the biotechnology product that use to inhibit bacterial growth or kill them. Naturally, antibiotic is produced by microorganisms. Now, antibiotics are produced on large scale by multiplicating and manipulating microorganism cells. This figure shows the principal process to produce antibiotic in a large scale. Agricultural biotechnology is an area of agricultural science involving the use of scientific tools or technique. Crop biotechnology is one aspect of agricultural biotechnology which has been greatly developed in recent time. Desired traits are exported from a particular species of crop to entirely different species. This transgene crop possess desirable characteristics in terms of flavor, color of flower, growth size of harvested product, and resistant to disease and pests. There are several desired agronomic traits such as insect resistance, herbicide tolerance, disease resistant, temperature tolerance, and quality trait. Pest-resistant crops are the product of agricultural biotechnology. It has been genetically modified so it's toxic to certain insects. It is often called Bt crops because the inserted gene were from the bacteria called Bacillus thuringiensis. Corn, cotton, potato are three crops targeted for Bt insect resistance. Plant and animal breeding is one of the applications of agricultural biotechnology. This method involves determining and choosing the animal or plant with desired trait to breed with each other so the resulting offspring would also express desirable trait. Desirable characteristics include large animal or plant, animal and plant more resistant to disease. The required selection for trait in plant breeding such as water use efficiency, nutrient use efficiency, with competitiveness, tolerance of medical weed control, pest or disease resistance, early maturity, and abiotic stress tolerance, for example, through salinity and etc. The quality traits in animal breeding such as growth rate, survival rate, meat quality, age of sexual maturation, and fecundity. Industrial biotechnology is the application of biotechnology with focus for industrial purposes. The aim of this method are to improve efficiency and reduce multi-faceted environmental impact of industrial processes. Industrial biotechnology include the practice of using cells such as microorganisms or component of a cell like enzyme to generate product in sector that industrially use such as food and feed, a chemical, a detergent, paper and pulp, textile, biofuel, and biogas. There are several applications of industrial biotechnology, such as development of biocatalysts, fermentation to be used as an intermediate to produce other chemical feedstock for various industrial products, and the use of microorganisms to produce chemical production in order to design and manufacture plastic or textile and develop of sustainable energy such as biofuels. Environmental biotechnology is the technology such as waste treatment and pollution prevention. This technique use some bacteria to be tripping on the chemical component of waste product. The bacteria help in digesting the waste right at the site, thereby turning it into harmless byproduct. Environmental biotechnology can more efficiently clean it up many waste components to conventional methods and significantly reduce our dependence on methods for land-based disposal. Wastewater treatment is one of the applications of environmental biotechnology. Wastewater treatment is widely used in waste treatment in industry. Bioremediation is a branch of environmental biotechnology such employ the use of living organisms such as microbes and bacteria in the removal of contaminant, pollutant, and toxins from soil, water, or other environment. Some example of bioremediation: adding nutrients stimulate growth of bacteria that degrade components such as oil in 1989. Exxon oil spill in Alaska, and in 2010, Deepwater Horizon spill promoted research into natural oil degrading organism and enzyme. Biotechnology is responsible for the manipulation of living organisms or their component for the production of products that are of benefit to humankind. Due to the wide range of application, color had been used to differentiate the main area research. Commonly, biotechnology are classified by gold biotechnology or bioinformatics. This kind of thing referred to as computational biotechnology or conceptualizing biotechnology to address biological problem using computational technique and makes the rapid organization as well as analysis of biological possibility. That biotechnology or biopalm, this kind of thing relate to medicine and veterinary product. It can help developing new drug, regenerative therapy, produce vaccine and antibiotic, and genetic engineering, etc. White biotechnology, this is draws inspiration from industrial biotechnology to design more energy efficient, less polluting, and low resource consuming processes. Yellow biotechnology related to the use of biotechnology in food production, such as in making wine, cheese, and beer by fermentation. And the last one is agri-biotechnology. This refers to the environmental application to maintain biodiversity and the removal of pollutant or contaminant using microorganisms and plant. I think that's all for this time. Thank you so much. See you next time. Thank you.